In this video, we'll be learning how to offer refunds with the PayFacto integration in RepairDesk. Before starting, make sure you've gone through our video on how to set up your PayFacto integration or have visited the relevant knowledge base article. This video will cover how to process a refund request with PayFacto. Let's get started. First, log into your RepairDesk account and click on Point of Sale. From this screen, click on the View Invoices button, locate the transaction you'd like to refund, and click on the Refund button. Next, click the Checkout button to proceed. From the left-hand panel, select PayFacto, enter the refund amount, and click on Refund. You'll now see a message displayed on the payment terminal. The customer must now use their card to complete the refund process on the terminal. Once done, on the RepairDesk screen, you'll need to click on the Dismiss button to proceed. Now, click Confirm, and your refund is now complete. For more information, please visit our knowledge base. RepairDesk lets you refund payments easily through a very streamlined process. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the PayFacto integration, please contact us at payments@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.